In this video, I want to show you how to convert ESRI shapefile to IDRISI vector in TerrSet. So to do that, launch your TerrSet, and when it's open, this is how the interface looks like. In the previous video, I've shown you how to create projects and how to link folder or add file to TerrSet. So to convert ESRI shapefile to IDRISI vector format, come to File, come to Import, come to Software Specific Formats, then come to ESRI Formats. Here is Shape IDR. Click on it. Then here you will see the option Shapefile to IDRISI. So we want to convert from shapefile to IDRISI vector format. So to do that, input your shapefile here. Click here to navigate to your folder. Click on Browse. Here, navigate to where you have the shapefile. Let me use this shapefile for example. Click on it and click Open. Then it will ask you, will you like to add a folder to your project as a resource folder? If you like, click Yes. So it will be added. Then here, output IDRISI vector file. Click here to navigate to where you want to save it. So I want to save it here as study area. Then you can see the format .vct. So click on Save. And here choose your reference system. So I want to leave it in lat long, or if you wish to change it, just click here and click here. Click here to expand it. Then you can choose from any of these coordinate system. However, I prefer to leave it at lat long, so I will cancel it. So I will leave it at lat long. Then the reference unit, I want it to be in degree. So once you are satisfied with all these parameters, click on OK. So the conversion is in progress. So the conversion is done. I can expand this to see it very well. So this is the ESRI shapefile that I've converted to IDRISI vector format. And if I come here and double click, I can see that study area here. So in a nutshell, this is how to convert ESRI shapefile into IDRISI vector format. Thank you for watching.